Hello everyone, I am Bhavna ma'am and today we'll be doing questions on polynomials. These are questions to be factorized. We want to find the factors. So going to the first question, as you can see there are 6 terms. A question which has 6 terms and you are supposed to factorize. The first thing that should come to your mind is this identity. A plus B plus C the whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So when you relate this to the given question, you will see that there are 3 terms which are perfect square. तो पहले इसको whole square लिख देते हैं. So I am starting with the right hand side. I mean this one. Okay, I'll relate this. So my question is 4x square plus 9y square. I will write this as 2x the whole square. 9y को लिख देंगे 3y the whole square. Okay, we're making it perfect square form में. And 4z the whole square. After this much is done, you are almost done with the question. You see, you simply write the formula 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca and check now. 4 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24. We will go to the sign now. 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. The problem is only with the negative sign. So check now which term is common in this. It is z. So wherever we have a z term, we will put a negative sign now. Minus. Wherever there is z, minus 4z and minus 4z. So that becomes a plus b minus 4z the whole square. Now you expand and check. 4y square whole square of this b square, 9y square of this 60z square, 2ab. So that will give you, okay, that's what we have written here, reverse. So if an expansion has 6 terms, then the first thing that should come to your mind is this formula. फिर तो decide करना है कि what is a, what is b. तो जितने भी terms are having perfect square, you write it as whole square. Like 4x square I wrote as 2x the whole square, 9y square को लिखा 3y the whole square, 16z square को लिखा minus 4z the whole square, because here it was having a negative sign. Okay, so going to the next second question. So going to the second question. Now again you see there are 6 terms. So 6 terms आए तो पहला formula कौन सा click होना चाहिए? This one. So I know it must be of this kind. So let me try and write जहाँ पे भी square है उसको whole square form में. So root 2x the whole square, y square. And now I will also try paying attention कि which term is having negative. उसमें common क्या है? x. X is the common term. So with x I will write a negative sign. Okay, 8 can be written as 2 root 2 z the whole square. And then I just have to follow the formula 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now check it out. 2x square, y square, square of this 8z square, and the next one, what it is? 2 root 2 xy with the negative sign. 2 2s are 4 root 2, and this is 2 2s are 4, and root 2 into root 2 will give me 8 and a negative sign there. So this becomes a plus b plus c the whole square, and you have factorized it. You can write it in this form because it is whole square. Let us write it in this form. Repeated factor it is, that's why. Like a square can be written as a into a, in the same way I have written this, and again the same one. This is the factorized form of this one. Whenever you have 6 terms, the first thing that should strike to you is this formula. Okay, now we have a question which has 4 terms. So when it comes to 4 terms, and you can see cube here, so we should think of a plus b the whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If it has all the plus signs. If negative, then we can write a cube minus b cube plus 3a square minus 3a square. B will come. So I will write this as ab square first and minus 3a square b as you want to write. But b will have a negative sign. When the degree of b is odd, it should have a negative sign. Okay. So now let's check the first one. Because it has 4 terms, what strikes to my mind is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. Besides having 4 terms, cube bhi dikh raha hai na yahan pe. That's why. Now all are having plus, तो ये होना चाहिए. So let me try to write in this form. पहले तो 8 को cube में लिखना है, which is 2a the whole cube plus b cube. Now just follow the formula. 3a square b, 3ab square, and you are done. You see, it becomes 2a plus b the whole cube over. That's it. Check it out. Expand करके देख लो. You're going to get that. Now to the next, 4th question. Here also you see there are 4 terms and साथ में क्या दिख रहा है? Cube है, p cube है ना. So I know कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So let's try to adjust. Whole cube को लिख देते हैं 3p the whole cube. Minus है तो we'll check out with a -1, and 1 upon 216 is 1 by 6 whole cube. Now go with the formula. Plus 3a b square लिखा है मैंने पहले, so I'm going to write this minus 3a square b. Okay. Now check. This is 36 and 9. 9 4s are 36. This is the one here. Okay. This is 9 and 3. So I think 2 will remain, and over here 9. 3 2s are 6 and 9. So 9 by 2p square. So the terms are adjusted. Fine. The only thing is I have written 1 by 4p here and the other one. You may write it like 3a square b. Then you will have a negative sign here and plus 3ab square. This is also fine. Okay. Then exactly this one comes here and the other one goes there. So this becomes a minus b the whole cube. So how did we check? If we have 6 terms, we go with the identity a plus b plus c the whole square. Try to adjust it in that way. Only if you adjust the perfect squares, तो बाकी का तो आ ही जाएगा. And the next thing, if there are 4 terms, तो फिर ये वाला formula सोचो. Try to adjust only these 2 terms. The rest you will get.
Hope you understood the topic. Comment below for the topics you would like me to explain in the upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.